the beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be talking about my new hair. Who it is. I'm just kidding, it's just me. So guys, I have color in my hair now. Oh my goodness, like I just cannot believe it, and I am loving it. So if you guys, I don't think I've ever shown you guys on this channel. I'm sorry. It's crazy because I've been wanting color for a while, but I guess I've been so used to having my dark hair or dyeing it jet black. I mentioned that I love dyeing my hair jet black because I don't know, I just love jet black hair. But I was like, you know what, I just had a baby, I need some like newness to my hair, because I did the same thing when I had Maddie, but I wanted to do that again. So yes, how do you like it? You like it or not? So let's talk about it, shall we? So without any further ado, let's get it. So like I said, I've been wanting color for a while. Actually, you know what? My time is coming. My time is coming. If you guys don't know, Cream of Nature is like one of my favorite, probably my top favorite hairlines. And I've been wanting to be their color crush for years now. Like, I wanted to be one of their color crush for years. Like, I've had it on my vision board for years now. See, you guys can see it right here. So yeah, it's right there. It's right there on my vision board for like the 3rd year in a row. So yeah, I've been wanting to participate in their Color Crush program for years now, but it didn't happen this year. It's okay though, because it's going right back on my vision board and I'm gonna keep manifesting it until it actually happens. I actually pitched to be a part of it, but I didn't get a response. So I was like, okay, well, I don't know when it's gonna happen. I don't even know if it's gonna happen this year. So I was like, you know what? I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and get color. So 2 days after I got it done, that's when I found out that, you know, they already selected their people or whatever. So I was like, dang, you know, but I was happy for them. I was happy regardless, but I was just like, okay, well, you know, it is what it is. So my friend back at home did this. I don't know if you guys remember when I went to her last year and she straightened my natural hair and trimmed it. I can link that here for you guys. So she did this as well because I knew I wanted color, but I wanted it to be professionally done because I couldn't do this. Like what she did, I could not do. I love hair, but I can't do everything. So she hooked me up and she nailed it. Like the hairstyle, the color that I sent to her, she nailed it. This is what I was aiming for. Like this color. Like that. I didn't get a chance to record my experience because as soon as I left church, I went straight to her house. I didn't have time to go home to pick up my camera. I had it at home with me, but I didn't have time to go and pick it up and everything because I was rushing to get to her house. So she pretty much explained everything to me. I think this is bleach, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is bleach that she used, but it looks so good and she nailed the color that I had. I thought it was gonna be cooler by now, so I was gonna wear my hair straight or whatnot, but the interesting stuff. Hold on. So as you guys saw in the picture, it was straight or whatever. So I was like, oh my god, like having straight hair with highlights, oh my god, that looks so bomb. But see, the heat does not want my hair to be great. Like y'all know my struggles with the humidity and the heat. It just so that's why I've been wearing it like this, and when I walk out it's like it gets all puffy and stuff like that. So one of these days when it decides to get cool, then I'll straighten it and wear it out and stuff like that more. But I love it. Like I love the color. She mixed it up together, and then, you know, she put the foil and put the hair color. So as you can see, like some of it is like light and then the other part is darker. So she left some on it longer than the other. So that's why some of it took lighter and darker than the other or whatever. But I love it. That's what I'm saying. Like what she did, I cannot do because I would have just been painting it on my strands and then went about my merry way. So she did a really good job on it. I can leave all her information if you're in the Winston, Greensboro, High Point, North Carolina area. Definitely go get your life and go to my girl. Okay, so how do I maintain it? Now that I have color in my hair, I have to make it a priority to wash and deep condition my hair every week, because I want to make sure that my hair stays moisturized, and I want to make sure that, you know, my hair doesn't look brittle, because I know that's why some people are afraid of color, because they don't want their hair to break off, they don't want it to get damaged, and they also don't want it to look brittle or damaged, you know. So I try to make it a priority to make sure that I care for it, so that way it doesn't look like that, because anybody got time for that. Okay, so some of the products that I've been using are, okay, so for moisturizing on a daily, I've been using this Palmer spray. I've mentioned it before that I love using this Palmer spray. I use it on my scalp, and I also use it just as a mist to keep my hair looking good. I also use the Lustrous Pink Oil Sheen. I still have some of that I use just to give me some extra shine. This is the new line from African Pride. This is the Moisture Miracle line, and I've been using their curling cream, which I absolutely love. Put this on my hair every night when I do my twist outs, my braid outs, and it just gives me some shine. I always talk about this on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, y'all know I talk about this a lot. So I love it, and it's made with shea butter and flaxseed oil, excuse me, and I just love it, and the smell is amazing. So that line is really, really good. If you'd like me to do a full review, because I only have a few of the products that I bought, so if you would like for me to do a review on that product line, I'll be glad to do that for you guys. So I've been using the Cream of Nature's Curl and Hold Custard, which I absolutely love, and it just gives me really good definition, and I love it. Y'all know I love Cream of Nature products. So I used the Cream of Nature's Honey Hair Mask. You guys know I did a video about this because I love their honey line. I just love honey, and this is almost gone. I gotta go buy me some more because I absolutely love it. Also, I've started using the Moisture Miracle line heat activated mask from African Pride. So this has Moroccan clay and shea butter in it. When I used this on my hair for the first time, like, my hair felt so soft and my curls were popping. Okay, yeah, so those are some of the products I've been using to maintain it. Like I said, it doesn't require a lot of maintenance, but like I said, I have to make sure it is a priority to deep condition, because deep condition is key to healthy natural hair. I mean, of course there are other factors, but for me, deep conditioning is a must, especially with colors. So definitely have to make sure that I do that every week. So other than that, you guys, I've been loving my color. Like, I just love it. But like I said, because it's been hot lately and my hair just hasn't been cooperating with the humidity, I am going to protect the style just for a little bit longer. But once it starts to get cool, baby, honey, this hair is going to be out straight and all that. So I'll definitely be doing some hair tutorials with my hair, you know, my new color and all that. So I'm so excited. So how do you guys like it? Do you guys like my hair or no? My hair? Oh no. A lot of you guys already seen it on my vlogging channel, but if you have not seen it on my vlogging channel, why aren't you subscribed to my vlogging channel? But now you get to check it out on this channel here. So let me know down below what you guys think, and if you are afraid to get color, don't be afraid, just go for it. Just make sure you take good care of it and go to a professional. Like, we can do all things, but when it comes to hair color, just go to a professional, girl. Just go to a professional. She got you. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.